How much do you think it would cost to retire in Canada comfortably?
Like in my mind, retirement in Canada, that cost would be around like $600,000-$700,000 probably.
I was going to say 4 million.
500,000 Canadian.
Over 100 grand.
500,000, if not more.
1 to 2 million.
800,000 to $1 million.
Really?
What does the ideal retirement look like to you?
Well, I think, everyone's looking for security, flexibility.
I never had any generational wealth growing up at all. And I wanted to be able to have something for my son and for his children and his children's children.
Have enough wealth to take care of my kids and their kids.
Being fairly secure, being able to travel.
Going on a holiday and not thinking you have to scrimp and save for that.
To support both our parents and our kids and have the time to travel as well.
Not having to pay a mortgage on a house. No debt and a big house.
Would it surprise you to know the number is 1.7 million?
Not. Even I thought $1 million was crazy.
That's very unfortunate to know.
That sounds right.
That's not surprising. That sucks.
It does sort of feel unattainable, actually.
It's probably going to take me like 200 years to earn that much money.
I'm literally $1.7 million away from that. Yeah, thank you.
Meet with a member of our wealth and investment team today.